Yay, it's Grammy box opening time. What all kinds of stuff we got? Whoa, what's that?
A chocolate.
Chocolate fishies. Nice.
Chocolate cookies.
Nice.
And
Pants for who? Who are those pants for?
a smaller one.
For a small baby?
Yeah.
Is it a pants or a bag?
Uh,
I think it's a bag.
no, so not a big. That's
I don't know. We'll have to call Grammy and ask her what is this one.
Yes, we should call her what this
Okay.
It's a. What color has my t-shirt?
It's like a t-shirt or a bag or something. Whoa, pepperoni. Nice, nice.
Oh, you make video?
Of course. Grammy likes to see her videos.
What is this?
I don't know. I was trying to figure it out. I told her it's a bag.
Oh, it's a bag.
It's not a big.
Very nice.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
a big.
It is a bag. What you got? What you got? What is that?
I got.
Candy?
It's a bag.
Yeah, you liked that Pez last time, didn't you?
It's cute, the bag, no?
You got 5?
I was thinking it's clothes.
I did too. I thought it was a pants. I was trying to figure out how to unfold it.
Oh, very nice.
Put it in that.
In the bag?
Yes.
Okay. So put it in the bag. Santos?
Santos. Santos. This for mommy. Oh, another one for mommy.
Another one.
What's that? Pepperoni? Another one?
Yes, that's it.
Nice. Oh, some chili seasoning. I want to take that to Romania when we go. Salami. Yeah, salami. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's Daddy's, I think.
Very nice.
Is that Daddy's? Let me see. What is it? Show me.
Daddy, you want to put this jacket back in the car?
Just put it in my room. If I need it, I'll
I
put
will
it.
hang it.
Foot.
It's a small foot.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Come on, let's finish the video.
Okay.
What else we got inside? Is this Daddy's stuff? Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Daddy's stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, Daddy's hard drive.
And then
Yeah.
this is that one. Another one. No.
Oh,
Another
mommy,
one.
this is for you.
What is it?
Baby stuff.
Oh,
Chippa, what else we got? Come on.
this.
I'm gonna put this in that.
Okay, come on. We still got a lot more stuff to get out the box. We're
I'm
already
gonna put this in that.
3 minutes on the video. We only got like 2 more minutes. We can take the stuff out.
This is
What is that?
little kids, Dad. Look.
Oh, I seen it, honey.
You see?
Yeah.
Very cute.
Big box.
It's a big box. What's inside?
Me know.
Wait, I want to read this one. What he saying?
Cookies.
Cookies.
Cookies?
Wow, nice. Cookies.
Don't throw it. Put it on. See, there is some stuff, Daddy.
Yeah, there's something in there for me. Yeah, that's. Oh,
What?
cool.
This the one?
Yeah.
I was thinking, you say, oh my God, it's not the...
Yeah, this is the one, Mom. Good
Wow,
job.
some pork.
Oh, look.
Wow, it's very nice.
How is it?
It's pork.
Say thank.
Nice. This is mine. Say thank you,
Another
Mom.
one.
Thank you. We love you.
Thank you, Grammy.
Thank you, Grammy. Say thank you, Grammy.
You got more
Wow, this
candies?
is very nice, baby.
Nice.
Feel it a little.
I know, honey.
Mommy.
We can open today.
Yeah, if you want.
Mom.
What's that?
I think for this kind of candies we have a machine or
Yeah,
something.
Chippa, she had a machine.
Oh,
Oh, those are for Mommy.
show me. Wow,
Sure.
very nice.
Shush.
But we can share this one. Because you like this one too.
No, because it's spicy for your stomach.
Oh. See another one. Small.
Mommy, she's now emptying the box.
Yalla, Susie.
Not
it's
in
pink.
box.
Very nice.
Uh-oh.
My books.
Got books. What's that? Another books for Chupa? Who is that on the book? Mickey Mouse? Who is it? Mickey Mouse. Wow, a book for Daddy. I actually got a book from Grammy. Amazing. Maybe I like to read a magazine every now and then too. Awesome.
Wow, amazing.
Amazing? Wow. What else we got?
Mom's book.
Mommy's book. Is that it? Finish? Okay, tell Grammy thank you.
Thank you.
Look at the camera. Look here at the
Thank
daddy's.
you.
Look at Daddy's phone and say thank you.
Thank you.
Wait a second. Say thank you, Grammy. Thank you.
Thank you, Grammy.
We love you.
Again.
Don't be naughty.
She does that to me, Mom. She don't try to be mean. Love you. Thanks.
We love you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye bye.
Shoot.
Say bye bye.
Say bye-bye.